Hello friends, good afternoon all. Welcome back to another video friends. In this video I'm going to talk about Essential English Grammar book and how I have practiced so far and how I have used this book so far. So as you can see, this is the best book for English learner. If you have zero knowledge of English, then you can definitely buy this book. It will definitely help you to improve your spoken and written English. And if you practice this book, then you will be able to write and speak proper and correct English. Sorry. So I will be showing you how I have practiced so far. As you can see, this is the content of this book. So if you are not being able to understand what sort of books you need to purchase, so I must request you to purchase this book first to get fluent in English, because you just need to know the basic concept of English grammar, then you can jump up by other books. Okay, so as you can see, I don't want to mention what sort of contents been given in this book, because I have already discussed about contents in my previous videos. So do watch that video first, where you will get to know about this book, what sort of contents been given here. So as you can see how I have practiced so far, you have to write on this page. So am is are, how to use am is are, and when to use am is are, and how to make sentences using am is are. So this is the best book, guys. You can really get good knowledge if you practice this book. And you have to, every day you have to practice something. I know that you might be saying that I always read books, I always read newspaper, but you have to practice. At the end of the day, you have to practice so that you will get good knowledge of in English. So as you can see how I have practiced so far. Actually, as you know that my native language is Bengali, so I write over here in Bengali. As you can see, this is the first chapter of this book, and as you can see how I have written here. And if you don't problem, you haven't have any problem, because you will get all the answers in the back side of this book. As you can see here, all the answers given here. So as you can see, this is the second chapter of this book. You need to answer in this chapter. You will be able to understand how to ask question using am is where. So it is really important, guys. As you can see how I have written here, I have written in my native language, my original language. As you can see, I'm doing. Okay, how to use am and doing, and when to use am and doing, and what sort of things you just need to memorize while speaking in in present continuous tense. And why I have loved this book, because this is the this book has not been written in traditionally way, but the way Raymond Murphy has written this book is totally different way. You don't need to memorize all the grammar rules, because if you practice these rules, if you practice these sentences, then you will be able to understand how to use these terms, how to use these tenses, how to use this how to use this tense, and when to use this context. Okay, so this is the best thing of this book that I have loved so far. As you can see how I have written here. So you have to do it, guys. You have to do it, and you have to make your notes, so that you can get to know how to use these sentences and how to use these words in different contexts. As you can see, are you doing, which is the interrogative form of present continuous tense. As you can see, the very is from the great book that you can purchase. And I have to say that, guys, if you want to get fluent in English, this is the best book for you. This must be the best book for you, guys. All this grammar tenses is here, guys. I like which is the present simple present form, the affirmative sentence. Yes, it's a negative sentence. So this is the best book, guys. And I have been asked by a lot of my subscribers, that's what sort of books we need to read to get fluent in English. But I must recommend you this book. I must recommend this book to you guys, because this is one of the best books that you can purchase in 2022. So guys, this was the video, and I'll be definitely be uploading more spoken English related videos. So do subscribe this channel. I try to share this video with your friends, and do subscribe this channel, guys. You watch my video but you don't hit subscribe button, so do subscribe my channel and try to stay with me. Thank you guys for watching this video.